Ever since I picked up my BMW, I've had mixed feelings about the matte white wrap. It looked okay at first, but over time it just started looking grimy. Greasy fingerprints, random stains, just not it. I told myself one day I'll rewrap this car, and now here we are. But listen, had I known these three things before tackling this project, I might have thought twice about it. And trust me, the last one could completely change your plans. Okay, first things first. Cleanliness. I thought it's vinyl, not paint. How clean does it really need to be? Yeah, no. Dust management is a huge deal. See, when you're peeling the backing paper or top cap off the vinyl, it creates a ton of static electricity. And what does static electricity do? It pulls every tiny piece of dust in the area straight into the adhesive side of your wrap. Now, once this happens, those little dust particles show up as bumps, like pimples under the vinyl, and they're a pain to deal with. You're stuck with your fingernail flicking them out while trying to lay down the wrap smoothly. It's frustrating and burns through your time. If I could go back, I'd definitely mop the floor and keep the garage door closed as much as possible. Would it have stopped me from doing the job? Probably not, but it would have saved me a ton of hassle. Next up, edge tape. Listen, if you're new to wrapping, like me, your biggest enemy is going to be lifting edges. Vinyl doesn't like uneven tension, and unless you're a pro, you're gonna have a few spots where the edges just don't stay down. Here's where edge tape saves the day. It's this 1/2 inch wide clear gloss tape with a super strong adhesive. You lay it over the edges after the wrap is down and it keeps everything locked in place. Now don't get me wrong, it's not a crutch. It's not gonna fix bad technique, but it does help you avoid those little flaps peeling up in the corners. Honestly, it made my life so much easier, I definitely recommend picking it up. Alright, this last one, it might stop you in your tracks. Guys, I seriously underestimated how much time this would take. Between cleaning, prepping, and actually applying the wrap, it took over 60 hours. And that's not even counting the 10 hours it took to strip off the old matte white wrap. Now I had help. Shout out to my buddy Raul for sticking it out with me. But even with 2 people, it was a grind. Instagram and TikTok make this look way easier than it actually is. On the surface, it's simple. Peel, stick, smooth, but in reality, every little mistake from dust to film tension to surface prep adds hours to the process. By the end, my hands were sore, my back was killing me, and I was seriously questioning my life choices. But hey, the end result? Totally worth it. I mean, check out this color. The deep gloss blue from Raxtify looks amazing. If you're thinking about wrapping your car, I'd still recommend it. Just go in prepared for the time and effort it takes. If you guys want to check out this exact color, I'll leave a link to Raxtify wraps down in the description. They were awesome to work with and their vinyl is top notch. Thanks to Raxtify for sponsoring this project. And if you've got any questions about the process, hit me up in the comments. I'd love to help. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more DIY content. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a good day.